Want to secure your home with a smart video doorbell? In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to install the Ring Video Doorbell Wired. Quick, simple, and with a reliable wired connection. Let's get started. Before starting, check that your transformer is rated 10 to 24 volts AC, 50 to 60 Hz, 10 to 40 volts amps. Press your old doorbell if the chime rings. Your system is compatible. Now, turn off the power at the breaker to stay safe during installation. Open your doorbell chime and attach the included jumper cable to the front and trans terminals, leaving the existing wires in place. Remove your old doorbell and disconnect the wires. Use the Ring doorbell to mark screw holes and drill if needed. Connect the existing wires to the back of your Ring doorbell using wire extenders if needed. Mount it with the included screws, restore power, and wait for the light to turn on. Attach the faceplate, tighten the security screw, and complete the setup in the Ring app. And that's it! Your Ring Video Doorbell Wired is now installed and ready to go. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.